There are several things to like about this Lamicall 3-in-1 portable charger, whether you're going to use it on your desktop at home, in your office, or whether you want to travel. It gives us three things that we can charge. We can charge our Apple iPods, we can charge our Apple Watch, and our MagSafe phones all in one piece. So your AirPods go right there. Your phone, which doesn't necessarily have to be an Apple phone, can be any MagSafe phone, and then your Apple Watch would go right here. So the way you're going to power this up is it's a USB Type-C connection in the back, and they do provide you with the USB Type-C cable, but they do not supply you with the power puck, and that you're going to need at least a 20-watt plus power puck, or else when you plug this into a less than a 20-watt power source, you're going to see here, you're going to get flashing green lights. That means there's not enough power coming from the source through the power puck into the unit itself. But if you simply take that, plug in the 20-watt power plug, or better, solid green lights, you won't have any lights flashing. Now you can turn around, plug in, and each device that's plugged in will now have a green light. As far as power to each device, you can see right here on the phone output, it's going to be a max of 15 watts. Your watch output, 2.5 watts, and your earbuds, 3-watt output. Another safety note is, you see how it's vented here? These are your charging plates. And so what happens is, as that heat builds up from charging all three devices at one time, you will start to see that dissipate. So you don't have a noisy cooling fan or anything like that. And also, the lights are not intrusive when you're trying to sleep at night. It's a very low level light. And when you're not charging at all, light goes away. So the bottom line is pretty simple. If you're into the Apple eco space, your AirPods, well, they'll charge. Your iPhone will charge. If you have something other than an iPhone, it will also charge. And if you have the Apple Watch, which I unfortunately do not have anymore, this will go right on there, and you'll be able to charge all three at the same time. If you got a mixed lot like I do, you can charge 2 or 3 at the same time. Lamicall makes a great product.